Well, that last episode got a little more attention than I expected. You're joining us in Cornwall, where we're starting the day at our hotel in Newquay. In the previous episode, we stayed in town for the whole day, starting off with a visit to Newquay Zoo, where we encountered many lovely animals and some thieving little monkeys.
Oh, hello. Hello.
We also checked out Newquay Beach, threw some money away at a typical British amusement arcade, and ate at our favourite restaurant in town, the Hotel Room. But today we're crossing the county to visit the Eden Project. What's that, you ask? Let me show you.
Well, it is a grey and uninviting morning in Newquay today. It has been raining, but that's okay because we are going to the rainforest and it's all indoors. Okay?
The drive ahead should take a humble half hour, but I'm feeling peckish, and along the way I spot something that ought to help.
Medium's fine for me. So far we haven't actually had anything very Cornish in terms of food. It's been pizza and Thai and Indian and all this stuff. This is something that is very Cornish. It's a Cornish Pasty filled with beef and all sorts. They can only call them Cornish pasties there from right here in Cornwall. Yeah, beefy, potatoey, pastry-y. I'll say it tastes too much different from any other pasty I've ever had that's got beef in it, but there you go. Finish this and get on the way. Welcome to the Eden Project. So here we are at the Eden Project. You get up close and you come to appreciate the scale of these things. They are bloody enormous.
The Eden Project might just be the most inventive use of a former clay pit ever devised. It's made up of enormous domes that house two artificial environments, a rainforest and a Mediterranean biome.
And in this same clay pit where the Eden Project now stands, they actually filmed some of the scenes that were in the 1980s TV series Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. By about the mid-90s, the clay pit was nearly exhausted. Then someone came up with the idea for this place in 1996, and by 1998, construction was underway and it opened in 2000.
After a rest stop with my favourite Cornish brew, we make a start on the Mediterranean biome. biome is definitely the less impressive of the two, but it does have a plant which shares the nickname of my beloved Nissan Micra.
So they've got a little vineyard, and it looks quite lovely, but it's also got these weird little severed animal heads on sticks. Little rabbits, very strange.
The Eden project also has various outdoor gardens and a facility called the Core, but COVID means that most of it is shut when we go, except for a strange 20-ton sculpture which blows smoke rings for some reason. That and a 13-foot sculpture of a seed.
I don't think either of us fully appreciated quite how much of this is outside. I was thinking it's all going to be indoors, don't worry about the raincoat. So maybe do bring that umbrella if you have one about you.
We've had our fill of greenery for the day, so we head back to town, where a bit of good luck awaits.
Okay, we have finally broken the spell. Today, we have a dinner reservation. God bless it, the Great Western Hotel. It's given us a dinner reservation. So, that was not perfect, I'll be honest.
There was a hair in my food.
There was, and the steak was tough as an old boot. But there we go. We've eaten on something other than paper plates, which is a charming novelty. I hope it catches on. And for that, I'll forgive a lot. So, they get a solid 7 out of 10 in my book.
6 out of 10 for me.
6 out of 10 for Becky. Yeah, app didn't work.
Take kindly to hairs.
No, foreign objects in food, as a general rule,
Oh, and I had
don't
part
go
of
down
an
well.
onion ring on my plate as well.
Part of an onion
I
ring?
didn't order any onion rings.
Well, you couldn't order extra onion rings. I would have done so if I could. And I offered to relieve Becky of this onion ring fragment, but she said, "Don't be gross." Well, her words. Anyway, all done. And so concludes our final day here in Newquay. The long journey home begins tomorrow. 5 hours of driving, that should be fun. But for now, it is farewell and good night.
Sorry it took so long to get this episode done. It's been about 95% complete for ages, but finding a few minutes to finish it off has been damn near impossible. In recent weeks we've moved house and we've got a newborn baby to contend with now. That's right, the little one is here. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe and we'll see you next time.